Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Wrap. Xiaomi Mi A1 has been one of the best selling smartphone within the 10 to 15,000 price segment for the past couple of months. Honor recently launched Honor 9 Lite 3GB RAM variant for 10,999 and 4GB RAM variant for 14,999, which were out of stock within few minutes from the three recent Flipkart flash sales. Let's see if Honor 9 Lite can better Xiaomi Mi A1 in the real life speed test. For the speed test comparison, we have set both phones to airplane mode and turned Wi-Fi on so that apps can use internet. So let's start with the clock app to set the timer, then Google Photos app, camera app and take a picture, Flipboard app to refresh the feed. Both phones took some time in opening the Flipboard app. Twitter app both opened it at the same time, and so is the case with the Instagram app. At this point of time, both are opening apps at the same rate. Loading Facebook took some time for 9 Lite, and so the Mi A1 stays ahead in the race. Nine Lite catches up, and now both phones are trying to open Super Mario Run. Mi A1 finishes loading Super Mario Run, and now let's move on to some heavy stuff like Asphalt 8. At this point of time, I noticed some lag with 9 Lite opening Asphalt 8. Mi A1 is done loading Asphalt. Now let's try Amazon for shopping, Google Maps for navigation, and now let's open a web page with Chrome browser. Moving on to Photoshop Mix on Mi A1 to edit a 4K picture. Adobe Clip for editing a 1-minute 1080p video, while 9 Lite took some time in opening a web page with the Chrome browser. So Mi A1 finishes the first round in about 1 minute and 57 seconds, while 9 Lite still is editing a picture with Photoshop Mix. Mi A1 is powered by Snapdragon 625 processor, while Kirin 659 powers Honor 9 Lite, and both phones are running Android Oreo. Jumping on to second round on Mi A1, most of the apps stayed in the background like Photos app, Camera, Flipboard, Twitter, Instagram. Facebook ad did refresh though, while Honor 9 Lite is still processing the video with Adobe Clip app. YouTube, Prime Video and Super Mario Run did refresh. Asphalt 8 app is exactly where I left, and so is the Amazon shopping app. Mi A1 is about to complete the second round, and 9 Lite still processing the video. So finally Honor 9 Lite finishes the first round in 3 minutes, while Mi A1 had many apps in the background and finished the round 2 in 3 minutes 11 seconds. Nine Lite did struggle with memory management too. Almost all apps got refreshed like Flipboard, Facebook, Instagram, and there's a noticeable lag now while opening these apps. Probably the software optimization of EMUI 8 is not as good as the stock Android on Mi A1. The Super Mario Run app did refresh, while surprisingly the Asphalt 8 app stayed in the background while many small apps failed to do so. The Adobe Clip app is intact, and finally the Honor 9 Lite finished the second round in 5 minutes 51 seconds, almost 160 seconds later than Mi A1. Moving on to fingerprint sensor performance, I was surprised to see that both phones getting unlocked at the same time. There's a noticeable improvement regarding the fingerprint sensor performance on the Mi A1, especially after the January Oreo update. Now let's try rebooting the phones and see which phone boots first. 1, 2, 3, restart. On the left we have Honor 9 Lite and on the right we have the Mi A1. Do note that both phones are running Android Oreo. Both phones started loading at the same time. So Honor 9 Lite finishes booting up the phone, and in this case Honor 9 Lite wins over Mi A1. I also did a speed test with these two for individual apps, starting with Chrome, and Mi A1 wins. It's a tie for Twitter and Instagram. For Facebook and YouTube it's 9 Lite, Mi A1 for Prime Video, and Mi A1 again for Asphalt 8. Coming to the benchmarks, Mi A1 got a score of 78,454, while Honor 9 Lite got a score of 88,213 with Antutu version 7. These are Geekbench single and multi-core scores. Mi A1 has an edge here. 9 Lite got 0.2 frames per second higher than Mi A1, with Nina Mark II benchmark almost equal. So that is it. Honor 9 Lite is definitely a looker, but if you are looking for a phone with fast performance and good memory management, then definitely Mi A1 should be your choice. Thanks for watching guys. Hit like and subscribe if you like the video. Bye bye and take care.